Hello you guys, we're back with another unboxing. This one I actually get to unbox it because I usually say unboxing or unpackaging, but I already unpackaged it. So we're gonna actually unbox this. Okay, let me stop. We have the Manfrotto tripod. Okay, I did a lot of research on tripod before I bought one. I'm just now getting into photography, videography. I personally like to review things a lot, which is why I'm doing these videos for you guys. So if there's someone out there who's just like me and need to research something a million times before you actually make that purchase, especially with certain things, because certain things are not cheap. But this is for you. Okay, this thing is heavy. Gotta be durable. Okay, so here we have it. The Manfrotto bipod. Let me get the exact name for you. It's the Manfrotto 290 Xtra bipod. Tripod, sorry. Okay, so this thing is sturdy, is you know what. Not gonna say it, but you know what I'm referring to. Okay. So it comes out pretty fast. I'm gonna open these legs up. Trying not to hurt myself in the process here. We're gonna take this down. Okay. Try to make this even all around. Okay. Oh yeah, that's a sturdy, it's a pretty sturdy fellow right there. Okay. This is also the fluid head. So it's good for videos. You can use it for pictures as well, of course, obviously, but I purchased mine more so for videos. Okay, you get this. I'm not sure. Maybe it stays on. Okay, yeah, it stays on. I'm about to mess it up already. So you simply stick this control arm in this slot here. I guess not big enough yet. There we go. Stick that in there. Want to get that to the right position for me. Tighten it up, and there you have it. Oh yeah, that guy is smooth. That is incredibly smooth. It's a very tight fit, but it makes for that very smooth flow. I just tighten it a little bit more. Untighten it a little faster, or tighten it, go a lot slower, but you don't want to go too slow. So yeah, so this guy is very nice. I cannot wait to take this out and try this actually. I just got excited. Okay. Yeah, so this is the Manfrotto 290 Xtra. And if I had to tell you guys anything just off of looking at it right now, this guy is pretty durable. Like I said, the way this flows is like insane. Like it is very, very like flowy. Yeah, so, and the bipod itself is pretty sturdy. I don't have the legs lined up properly right now. I have them at different heights, so I have to adjust that. But the tripod itself is very durable. And Frodo, you have done a great job. I see why you have the names that you have and the reviews that you have, which is what led me to buy this. So yeah, so 2 thumbs up if you want to purchase this. I recommend it. I co-sign it. You will not be disappointed, especially all the entry-level people such as myself. One day I'll be, you know, who knows, pretty high on the platform, and I'll still be here telling you guys what to buy and what not to buy, because I don't want you out there wasting your money. So this is a 2-buy. Don't hesitate. It's good. And that is coming from me. Have a good day, people.